Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make those beautiful embellishments that are very easy to make. Fun fact, you need your scrap papers. And if you have a lot of leftovers, like I have a lot of leftovers from all different projects, you can use them to make these beautiful embellishments. Also, please subscribe for my channel and like this video because it will help me to develop my channel better. And I have a lot of ideas, honestly. I have a lot of ideas in my mind and a lot of ideas that I want to make them as videos. So please guys, give me your support. Okay, let's start it. First, you need scrap papers. Any kind of scrap papers that you have. Doesn't matter the size. For the purpose of this embellishments, I'm going to use those punches from Tim Holtz, but you can use any kind of circle or other shape, of course, that you have in front of you or you have in your stashes. Okay, they're very easy. For this video I'm going to make only two, just to make them in front of you so that you can have idea how to make it. As I said, fun fact, I'm going to use scrap papers. And let me take my punches. Nothing happened here. No, I don't like this circle. Just okay, it's better. They're very easy. As I said, I'm sorry that I'm repeating myself. Okay, I've already made my circle. The next thing that I did was to use embossing powder. You can use any kind of embossing powder. I decided to use this one, Shabby Pink Embossing Enamel on Stampedius. If you have it, use it. And the idea is to put embossing powder on the edges of the circle, just to give more interest. On the circles. me put a little more here because I want them to cover. I want more colors here because they're completely white. I mean the small circles are completely white. Okay, and let me take my heating tool that is okay. I'm ready. And I need, okay. Sometimes I'm forgetting to prepare all of my things. I'm sorry for this. Let me take my sequence. As threads, I decided to use those beautiful threads on DMC. This is this number, as you can see, and silver one is this. It's between white and silver. I don't know, can you see it? I hope so. Those are the numbers that I'm using for my embellishments. Okay, I'm ready with this one. And then let me do the last one. This time I'm going to use 2 threads. Let me just... Okay, there it is. I like how I literally bake the sheet with my heat gun. Sometimes I'm doing this to make them more vintage. Okay, let me just remove. So I'm ready. There it is. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was short. So see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.